warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abdullah Samsul Kamal. My number metric is CB220212. I am from to faculty FETV. I want to continue is my thesis. Now I want to talk about this the summary syllabus what I would learn. Okay. Firstly, I start the chapter once. Chapter once. Okay, chapter once. Um, chapter once is is about it five have terms in introduced from contract standards, attended contractor obligation, tender documents, document as the base of the tender, and the coordinate of project information. Okay, I want to summary. It's easy for not so many to need. Okay, what I learned is chapter one is to give a description for to what is a document tender documentation, what is the document used to base of the tender, and what the forms for contract standards. The standards tender will follows a JKR, must be the followers, and the basic tender, and what the coordinate project information is the reasons to what I learned to syllabus chapter 1. Okay, next I want to and sorry and this in the chapter 1 have to what is a difference to say I was to the teaching let's ask questions to my madams TS Noshima. He say what do you have a different what is document tender and document tender and eclans. Eclan is it means to is have difference. Okay, I next chapter is the chapter is about how about to with example I with the contractor is we have a term a contents have a contents a content in the chapter 2 is building projects competition negotiation abuse of decision or to tender and inspection of the tender communication and competition. Okay, what I learned in in the syllabus. Number one, what is multi project? Multi project is a big project. He have not to make a candidate once a client makes a contractor is on one always a contractor to manage the projects and they have guests to make some projects. Bureau is a big project. And what the competition and negotiation. Competition when the contractor to nego to price for the get a tender or from anyone to swasta or government, especially JKR for successful get a tender. Example is a project price is 34,000 ringgit. He must be not to more to very not same price. It's very murah. in English, in bahasa is very murah, because when your not lebih more very the value, the your value is very high value. You're not to save the competitions. You're not you don't have can get to the tender. How what in negotiation? Okay, negotiation. What is negotiation is the standard, and what is your to get a material, and how your to and your or your to get negotiation, or what your different and another the contractor to get project. Okay, this what I simply what it I learned this chapter 2. Okay, next is chapter 3. Chapter 3 have a better little more the base, a better comment and a process. Have the terms, a construction document component, project manual, investigator bids, instruction to bidder. It's a very better agenda supplementary condition, specification group, tasks and duties, and a tender with the cost of planning and bidding, evolution, the closing. Okay, I explained it. As what I explained is a bid document. It includes the planification and estimates to PSE develop all the element construction project and become a contract. A main wide rights assembly the contract wide the trade the contract the include big instructions to project team sitting or for the document, poly procedure performance and inspection to trade or the contractor design of service trade on control works. What in I give more than you can understand. Evaluation to bid contractor submit a proposal spec of product service organization now and we will needs. It's a very simply for good for memudahkan urusan. It's a business it. Okay, I mean in the have one and in the terms I what it said and explication the groups. Then explication means a design and data, drawing, schedule, broad equipment, characters, and other technical detail furnish with the invention to tender for the purpose for submitting the offer by tenders. Okay, this is what I learned in the chapter 3. It's more better than you have identification in the tender. What is in tender have it, and what is tender is spec. Example, what I say, what must be or insurance in the tender specs. Design, data, drawing, schedule, broad equipment characteristics, and other technical details furnishing the with or the invention of the tender purpose for something offered by the tenders. Next, what I want to present what I continue what syllabus is chapter 4. The topic estimates. Okay, the term is sorry. And the term is organization and the planning, bidding or procedure, site investigations, site investigations, workup and summary sheet, costing, labor, equipment, gender, expenses, evacuation, concrete, masonry, metal, wood, substructure, and structure, mechanical, electrical. What is to explain it? what we do calculation, and in the plan we taken off, and we follow as the questions or standards what he wants, or sides, his sides, and end for ends beside of us in the plans we must to follow us the plan how to win the calculations. I mean this example is taken off. Okay, next what I learned, and next the syllabus is chapter 5, computers and the estimations. Okay, what have in the term 5? Communication systems, e-tendering, online auctions, revision action, computer and estimation package, and last system application program. What and very more to importance the technology of 5 in chapter 5 is what we to must now is how to get or access e-tendering. E-tendering we must is from the government. We it's very easy. We don't must be to meet physical, but this was just to um, just to fighting for how to the price negotiation in engineering. Engineering is online. I mean it is now a system hybrids. Engineering what we to take a tender from online, we price, we negotiate to price what we want to a good or win get a tender. We not surely we not to miss a client, but we direct towards. Okay, I want to step next chapter. This syllabus is chapter 6. Principle of strategy procurements. Have a theory, practice, strategy approach, procurement component, a public sector project. And the theory is about how to strategy a company to bring procurements and goods organization for the client look the organization at the background. We must he want to see what he want to choose, what is a good to choose to make a project. Example, he want to be made made her home, but we must the client must want to someone a contractor or a company make a good uh, professional home. You must choose all options to good about company. Basically, yes, this is very important. Next, I mean, we have a means is strategy and strategy. Sorry, I don't remember what is strategy in standard strategy means in a procurement. Strategy is procurement incorporates action aimed at reducing the pleasure-based negotiations, communication, and maintaining long-term relationship of the supplier. Of the reviews of strategy, some many pay sector organizations use as a strategy procurement and ensure to have access to the effective supply the goods and the service. They are critical day to run for organizations. Okay, this is what I to give a descriptions was strategy organization in syllabus chapter 6. Okay, the next chapter is chapter 7. Chapter 7 is have a terms, business have a develop, project briefing, type of construction client, develop strategy brief, client factor, social briefing. How it is about the strategy the same, but it is very develop about how we deep constructions. Have construction have the manual, conventional, and automatics. It have a developed the strategy. Strategy. Okay, our next syllabus is X. Is have the term identify strategy. Yeah, must means selection procurement roads, projection selection, managing procurement process, factory selection procurement. Okay, I give you a description about the teacher is new about the projects. Everybody new Q on the design and the poll on the study also the key of the nation. That's when considered strategy delivery of project client should be made over the complex of the activity process that involved or procurements. Process that can be offered by the management. For my information on the CB's 1970, SCG is strategy can develop and our needs of necessary respect to provide constructor, facility, and design life cycles. What's in the X syllabus, what's the important strategy and what we must do more better in the development of organization and strategy. Okay, it's very important who are you? You are project manager, you coordinator, or another you engineering, you engineers. It is more better to schedule race. Sorry. This have the terms nice is a risky race or uncertainty, strategy, identify race, analyze race, and monitor race, and control race, and case study. This I was to make the schedule what we to study analysis was our we became bits was to make analysis how to beginning of project manager we made how analysis race of the tender how what is level risk and what happened to tender this document and what's to do how happened to come to trouble and we must have the solutions. This is what I learned and understand. Thank you Madam DS Noshima to teach me. I'm very like this subject because I'm very for deep for myself to know what's is the conversation more better what I from the KV but now I'm very like this subject. Thank you.